Hello everyone. Here we have the presentation on skin put technology. Nothing but the human body as touchscreen. Under the guidance of Punit GJ, Assistant Professor, Department of CSC, RYMEC. Here these are the contents of the skin put technology. Let's start introduction. Skin put is a input technology that uses bioacoustic sensing to localize finger taps on the skin. So this technology that which uses the surface of the skin as an input device and it uses the human skin. So it's called skin put, and the skin put uses the sensor system. To capture this acoustic information, they developed a wearable armband that is non-invasive and easily removable. And it was developed by Cheris Arizon, Destiny Tan and Dan Marios of the Microsoft Resource Computational Users Experience Group. Next, what is skin put? Skin put is a technology that appropriates the human body for acoustic transmission and giving input through skin. It allows the skin to be used as input surface, allows to interact with body in eye-free manner and turns the body into touchscreen interface and it listens to vibration in our body. Provide an always available mobile input system. SkinPit uses a series of sensors to track where a user taps on his arm. Next, principle of SkinPut. The principle of which this technology works is bioacoustics. Whenever there is a finger taps on the skin, the impact creates acoustic signal which can be captured by a bioacoustic signal. The arm is an instrument. The armband detects the acoustic signal to convert them to electronic signals which easily enable the users to perform simple tasks as browsing through a mobile phone menu, making calls, controlling portable music players, etc. Next, technology used. There are combination of three technology. First one is Bluetooth connection, second one picoprojector, third one an acoustic detector or bioacoustic. First one, Bluetooth connection. The armband is connected to the mobile phone using Bluetooth. Picoprojector, it displays screen on our skin. Then last one, acoustic detector. It captured the vibrations produced by the finger. Next, how it works. There are three steps. Step 1. When user taps the skin, the bioacoustic and sensors study the sound waves. When a finger taps the skin, several distinct forms of acoustic energy are produced. They are longitudinal wave and transverse wave. These waves form the integral part of the whole concept of skin put. Transverse wave. When you tap your skin with your finger, you generate transverse wave. Transverse wave propagation. Finger impacts displace the skin, creating transverse waves. The sensor is activated as the wave passes underneath it. Tapping on the soft regions of the arm create higher amplitude transverse wave than tapping on the bony areas. Next, longitudinal waves. Longitudinal waves, some energy is transmitted inward toward the skeleton, so it causes internal skeletal structure to vibrate. These waves travel through the soft tissues of the arm and higher frequencies propagate more readily through bones. Longitudinal wave propagation. Finger impact create longitudinal waves that cause internal skeletal structure to vibrate. This in turn creates longitudinal waves that emanate outwards from the bone toward the skin. Next, bioacoustic. It means sensing. Signal is sensed and worked upon. So, study of sound waves inside living body, and this is done by wearing sensors armband. Your two sensor packages shown. Each contain 5 specially weighted cantilevered pixofilms responsive to a particular frequency range. Armband prototype. Inside the skin put armband is a pair of sensor arrays, each consisting of 5 sensors. So in the armband you have two sensor arrays and each consisting of 5 sensors. When the hairband is wrapped around in our arm, one array sits on top of your arm and the other below it. The upper sensor array is more sensitive to lower frequency signals. The lower sensor array is sensitive to higher frequencies. Hairband device consisting of two components. One is projector, next one detector. In the step 2, bioacoustic and sensors are connected to the mobile Bluetooth. In the step 3, a system uses a tiny projector to display screen onto your forearm and then the menu displayed by the Pico projector and user's hand. In this figure shows how it will be work. First, projector display image on arm. Next, finger tap on arm. Next, vibration produced and passed through bones onto skin. Then detected by detector in armband. Finally, electronic signal produced in the form of music. Next, BMI effects. BMI is body mass index. It's susceptible to variations in body composition, prevalence of fatty tissues and the density or mass of bones. Here accuracy was significantly lower for participants with BMIs above the 50th percentile. Advantages: easy to access, no worry about keypad, no interaction with gadgets, and you can be used without visual contact. Larger buttons to reduce the risk of pressing the wrong buttons. Body is portable and always available. Then disadvantages are the easy accessibility will cause people to more socially distracted. This technology only works on direct skin exposure. The armband is currently bulky. If the user has more than 30% BMI, accuracy is reduced to 80%. We cannot use full sleeves shirt when we are using this technology. And the visibility of the projection of the buttons and the skin can be reduced if the user has a tattoo located on the arm. Next, applications. This input system could display an image of a digital keyboard on forearm. Using input, someone could send text messages by tapping his or her arm in certain places. While walking and jogging, we can listen to music, we can play game, make a phone calls. Making a phone calls, we can turn our arm into a cell phone. It will be possible to make calls by just typing numbers that flash on your forearm. Future scope: making a banking system. ATM transaction using NYME will resolve many security issues. NYME means NYME is a heart wave sensing wristband that wants to replace all your password and keys. Next future scope: Google will very soon going to release this technology in the form of wearable password ring. Next, research is carried out for smaller wrist watch sized sensors armband. Finally, conclusion. This system performs very well even if the body is motion. We have presented our approach to appropriating the human body as an input surface. It describes a novel wearable bioacoustic sensing array built into an armband in order to detect and localize finger taps on the forearm and hand. This input technology works that are bioacoustic sensing, picoprojector, Bluetooth. This as the input devices. These are the references of this presentation, means input technology. Thank you.